In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a project and make it active. You can add a project by clicking Create New Project and entering the details asked for. Once you save the project, it is automatically listed as the active project. You can click on the active project, which gives you three options. You can archive the project, which means it is still saved but no longer active. You can edit the project, which enables you to edit the setting entries you've just put in, or delete the project, which means its data will be removed from your app and account. When you archive a project, this will move the current project down to the Archived Projects section, and it is no longer active. You can make a project active again by clicking on it and selecting Make this project active. Archiving your projects becomes useful once you have multiple stored projects and want to switch between them. Your active project is also shown in the green bar at the bottom of the home screen. Your active project is the one that the app stores data entries in, which you can now do via the data section.